Every home cook dreams of a cookware set that not only delivers top-notch performance, but elevates the aesthetic of their kitchen. This Turbo B 16-piece nonstick cookware set, a game-changer designed to transform the way you cook. Whether you're preparing a quick weekday meal or hosting a lavish dinner party, this cookware set is your trusted partner in the kitchen. With a sleek white design and thoughtfully curated pieces, it caters to all your culinary needs. But this isn't just about looks. The Turbo B cookware set combines cutting-edge non-stick technology, efficient heat distribution, and ergonomic features to provide an unparalleled cooking experience. Imagine cooking healthier meals with minimal oil, effortlessly flipping delicate foods like eggs or pancakes, and cleaning up in minutes. This set makes it all possible. Its versatility and compatibility with multiple cooktops ensure that no matter your kitchen setup, you'll enjoy consistent, professional-grade results every time. Let's dive into why the Turbo B 16-piece cookware set is a must-have for every modern kitchen, from its standout features to the benefits it brings to your daily cooking routine. First impressions. Aesthetic meets functionality. The sleek white design of this cookware set exudes modernity and sophistication. Whether you're an experienced chef or a kitchen novice, this 16-piece set caters to all your cooking needs. It includes 2 frying pans, 9 12-inch and 11-inch, a 3.9-quart sauté pan with lid, a 1.8-quart saucepan with lid, a 4.2-quart covered casserole, 3 essential kitchen utensils, 2 scrubbing sponges for effortless cleaning. The cohesive design ensures that your cookware doesn't just perform exceptionally, but also enhances the visual appeal of your kitchen. Superior non-stick performance. Cooking with the Turbo B cookware set is a joy, thanks to its premium aluminum non-stick interior. This feature makes cooking healthier and cleanup easier. Ultra non-stick coating. Say goodbye to stubborn food residues and tedious scrubbing. The non-stick surface ensures your dishes come out perfectly every time, even with minimal oil. Enhanced durability. The premium materials are built to last, maintaining their performance and appearance through countless meals. Designed for effortless cooking, glass lids with crystal clear visibility. The tempered glass lids are more than just functional, they offer a clear view of your food while cooking. No need to lift the lid and lose precious heat or moisture. These lids prevent splashing and help you achieve perfect results every time. Stay cool handles. One of the standout features is the ergonomic handles. Designed for comfort, these handles stay cool during cooking, ensuring a safe and hassle-free experience. Efficient heat conduction. The Turbo B cookware set takes your cooking to the next level with its excellent heat conduction capabilities. Rapid and even heating. The aluminum construction distributes heat uniformly, eliminating hot spots and ensuring consistent results. Induction compatible. Whether you have a gas, electric, ceramic, glass, or induction cooktop, this set is up to the task. This compatibility makes it versatile for any kitchen setup. Easy to clean and maintain. Nobody loves cleanup after a delicious meal, and the Turbo B nonstick cookware set understands this perfectly. Dishwasher-safe. While the set can be safely cleaned in the dishwasher, hand washing with the included scrubbing sponges ensures its longevity. Hassle-free maintenance. The ultra-smooth non-stick surface wipes clean effortlessly, leaving you more time to enjoy your meal. Why choose Turbo B over competitors? 1. Value for money. This 16-piece set offers exceptional quality and versatility at a competitive price. 2. Healthier cooking. The non-stick surface requires less oil, making meals healthier without compromising on taste. 3. Stylish design. The white exterior complements modern kitchens and adds a touch of sophistication. 4. Durable build. Built to last, this set ensures that you won't need a replacement for years to come. Conclusion. Your kitchen's new best friend. This Turbo B 16-piece non-stick cookware set is more than just cookware. It's an investment in better meals, easier cooking, and a more stylish kitchen. With its durable construction, ultra non-stick interiors, and thoughtful features like stay-cool handles and glass lids, this set offers unmatched value for money. Whether you're a busy parent, a beginner experimenting with new recipes, or a seasoned chef, this cookware set is tailored to simplify and elevate your cooking. Healthier meals? Check. Easy cleanup? Absolutely. A kitchen upgrade that makes cooking enjoyable and hassle-free? Without a doubt. The Turbo B cookware set is designed to deliver all this and more. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.